Betelgeuse, one of the most well-known stars in the night sky, has fascinated both astronomers and casual stargazers for centuries. Its large size and striking reddish glow make it a prominent feature in the Orion constellation, visible even without a telescope. But recently, it has drawn attention for a far more surprising reason. The James Webb Space Telescope recorded a sudden and dramatic increase in its brightness, by an astonishing 250%. This unexpected change has sparked widespread curiosity and speculation within the scientific community about what might be happening inside this colossal star. This star is classified as a red supergiant, a type of massive star nearing the end of its life. Located around 642 light-years from Earth, Betelgeuse is among the largest and brightest stars in our galaxy. It's estimated to be about 700 times the size of the Sun and over 10,000 times more luminous. Red supergiants like this are known for being unstable as they approach their final stages, with fluctuations in brightness being relatively common. However, this recent and extreme surge in luminosity is unlike anything previously observed, marking a noteworthy moment in astrophysical research. Thanks to the advanced infrared capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists were able to look through the dense clouds of dust and gas surrounding Betelgeuse and get a clearer image of the star and its immediate environment. What they found was remarkable. Over a span of just a few weeks, the star's brightness rose sharply, something that could point to unusual processes taking place deep within its core. This has prompted renewed interest in the star's potential future, especially the long-standing theory that it might explode as a supernova. Betelgeuse has been considered a supernova candidate for years, with some predicting it could erupt in the next 100,000 years. The recent surge in energy now raises the possibility that this timeline might be shorter than previously thought. The star's recent erratic behavior, when combined with this sharp brightening, suggests it may be entering a more unstable phase, possibly one that precedes a supernova. If Betelgeuse were to explode, it would produce a spectacular display visible from Earth even during the day, shining more brightly than the full moon for weeks. Despite its relative closeness to our planet, such an event wouldn't pose a threat due to the vast distance, but it would provide a unique opportunity to observe a supernova as it unfolds in real time. This event has also reignited questions about the internal mechanics of red supergiants. These stars are extremely difficult to model because of their immense scale and the turbulent conditions within them. Betelgeuse has long puzzled scientists with its irregular light patterns, and this sudden brightening adds another layer of complexity. Understanding why this change occurred might help explain not only Betelgeuse's behavior, but also the life cycles of similar stars. One theory suggests that a large convective cell, essentially a massive bubble of hot gas, may have risen from the star's interior to its surface. This kind of event can lead to significant changes in brightness as the hot material breaks through the surface and is released into space. Another possibility is that Betelgeuse recently expelled a large amount of mass in a violent outburst, which could have cleared away dust or caused new interactions with its light. In 2019, the star went through an unexplained dimming, possibly caused by a dust cloud blocking part of its surface. This brightening might be a rebound from that earlier event, where new material is now being illuminated. There's also growing interest in the role of Betelgeuse's magnetic field. Although not fully understood, recent studies suggest it could be both complex and dynamic. Shifts in magnetic activity might be altering the way energy moves through the star, contributing to these rapid changes in brightness. If that's the case, it opens a new area of exploration in stellar magnetism and its impact on the behavior of massive stars. As monitoring continues, scientists are paying close attention to how mass loss may be shaping the evolution of Betelgeuse. Red supergiants are known for shedding mass rapidly through stellar winds and eruptions. This process is believed to play a major role in determining how and when a star transitions to a supernova. If Betelgeuse is currently losing mass at an accelerated rate, it could mean the star is approaching a tipping point, one that leads to increased instability and potentially its ultimate collapse. The timing of this event has also proven fortunate for astronomers, as the James Webb Space Telescope is now providing unprecedented data. Its infrared capabilities allow it to see what other telescopes cannot, especially through layers of dust that often obscure key details. Betelgeuse's sudden brightening has made it an ideal subject for these cutting-edge instruments, offering a real-time look at a red supergiant possibly on the verge of transformation. Still, it's important to approach this with cautious excitement. The increase in brightness doesn't guarantee an imminent supernova. Red supergiants are infamous for unpredictable behavior, and this could be another phase in Betelgeuse's long and chaotic life. But the scale of this change, 250% brighter in such a short time, is certainly not ordinary, suggesting that something noteworthy is unfolding inside the star. This moment reminds us just how dynamic stellar evolution really is. Stars like Betelgeuse, especially in their final stages, are influenced by a complex mix of forces, both internal and external. Gravity, fusion, magnetic activity, and mass ejections all play roles in shaping their behavior. Studying these processes helps scientists better understand not just the fate of Betelgeuse, but the broader story of how stars live and die throughout the universe. As the data continues to come in, astronomers are preparing to answer some major questions. Could this brightening be linked to a deeper shift in the star's core? Is Betelgeuse fusing heavier elements in a final burst of energy before collapse? These possibilities point to exciting new directions in the study of stellar physics. Massive. Stars like Betelgeuse are complex laboratories of nuclear fusion, where the elements essential to life are created. The sudden brightening may indicate that fusion of heavier elements is intensifying, pushing the star toward its inevitable end. When fusion can no longer produce enough energy to counteract the force of gravity, the star collapses, leading to a dramatic explosion. If Betelgeuse is approaching this point, we may be witnessing some of the final warning signs. The ejection of gas, contraction of the core, and resulting turbulence could all be contributing to this current surge in brightness. Alternatively, it might be another episode in the star's ongoing cycle of instability, but even that offers a wealth of new information. Mass loss is another key factor in this story. Like many aging supergiants, Betelgeuse has been steadily shedding mass through powerful winds and eruptions. The material surrounding it forms intricate patterns of dust and gas, which in turn influence how the star appears from Earth. This can either dim or brighten the star depending on how that material scatters or absorbs light. In this case, it's possible that the light from Betelgeuse is now passing through a less dense area, or being reflected in a way that amplifies its brightness. Altogether, this moment marks an extraordinary chance to study a red supergiant in action. Though its future remains uncertain, what we're learning from Betelgeuse could change how scientists view the life cycles of the universe's most massive stars. Whether this is the start of a supernova countdown or simply another burst of turbulence, it serves as a striking example of how unpredictable and awe-inspiring the cosmos truly is. Betelgeuse's recent brightening has not only advanced our scientific understanding, it's also reignited public fascination with the mysteries of space. For centuries, the star has been wrapped in myth and legend, symbolizing strength and mystery in cultures around the world. Now, its dramatic behavior continues to inspire curiosity and wonder. While we may not yet have all the answers, one thing is certain. Betelgeuse still has secrets to reveal, and scientists around the world will be watching closely to see what happens next. Let us know what you think in the comments. Could we be on the verge of witnessing a once-in-a-lifetime supernova?